Are you struggling to find the perfect gift for the maker in your life? Or maybe you're a maker and you're looking for the next tool to make your 3D printing journey easier? In this video, I am sharing my gift ideas that every 3D printing enthusiast is gonna love. And trust me, you wanna stick around to the end because the last one is a game changer. First up, filament variety packs. These are an absolute must-have for any 3D print owner. Whether they're running low on filament or looking to try out new materials, variety packs are the perfect way to resupply and experiment. From PLA to specific filaments like wood-filled or glow-in-the-dark. There's so much potential to create and trigger creativity. Next, we have filament vacuum storage bags. Vacuum storage bags are a cost-effective solution to keep filament fresh and moisture-free. Moisture can ruin prints by causing inconsistent extrusions, but these bags help prevent that without breaking the bank. Gift idea number 3 is a pairing for the vacuum bags, and that's indicating Desiccant silica gel. These little beads actively absorb any residual moisture and even change colour to let you know when it's time to dry them out. Simply pop them on a low oven and watch them change back to their original colour, and you know they're ready to good to go for the next round of keeping your filaments safe. Maybe you want to take your filament storage to the next level. Perhaps something a little bit more robust. Check out storage boxes. They're a great way to organise filament and keep them safe from moisture. Some advanced boxes even have active heaters in them because moisture, once inside the filament, needs to be driven out. Silica gels won't remove that. So these boxes will actually dry the filament for you. Some of these heated boxes can also be used while printing, maximizing the quality you can achieve with a dry filament. One thing to consider, however, is these storage boxes are a little bit more expensive than the previous options. And that brings us on to gift idea number 5. Every maker knows that tools are key, and 3D printing tools make an awesome gift. These kits often include everything needed for removing prints from the bed, cleaning up rough edges, and adding the perfect finishing touches. You could even split these kits down to make awesome stocking fillers. Speaking of essentials, nozzle cleaning kits are a lifesaver. Through 3D printing, clogs happen, and they are a pain. These kits include tools for clearing out blockages and even have replacement nozzles in some of them, making maintenance a breeze. Gift idea number 7 is a general machine maintenance kit. As 3D printers get more use, regular upkeep is a must. These kits come packed with tools to handle everything from tightening belts to leveling the bed, making routine maintenance a breeze. They're a practical and thoughtful gift for any 3D printing enthusiast. But we're not done yet. My bonus gift is a game changer. My bonus pick is the SUNLU filament connector. It's a desktop tool that allows you to connect part reels of filament to make them more useful. Often at the end of prints, 3D printing filaments get to a point where there's not enough filament on the reel to allow you to use it usefully. Usually, these end up getting discarded. Using the SUNLU filament connector allows you to make these into a more useful length, reducing waste. To use it, select the type of filament that you want to connect. Cut a 45-degree angle on each of the pieces that you want to connect. Slide one of the connecting tubes over the filament, and once up to temperature, slide the other end of the filament into the tube. Place the ends of the filament into the machine, making sure to align it correctly and close the lid. Apply a small amount of pressure, pushing the two ends of the filament together until the unit beeps. Once this happens, eject the filament and allow it to cool. Then use the inbuilt cutting tool to cut the tube away. At this point, the filament should now be connected. Now it must be said, this is a little bit finicky to get right, and you will need to practice a little bit. But once you get the hang of it, you can make joining ends of filament a cinch. So there you have it. These are my top picks for this Christmas. Did I get everything that was on your wish list? If not, why not post in the comments below? Until next time, what are you going to make today?